right? I'm backtesting like some random month in 2025 right now, so I thought I might as well just fucking, or maybe I shouldn't swear on YouTube. I don't know. I thought I might as well just record it, post it, just kind of share what I think in the markets. Oh shit, nice. We have this unmitigated end log, or not unmitigated, but we still have a little bit to fill. Tell by that top wick. Yeah, 15 minute. We still have a little bit of it to fill. I'm not even gonna mark that out. We just have to know this high. We have low resistance leading towards it. Let me look at the hourly. We have this high right here that we're just trending towards. Then again, we close this big bullish hourly candle. We're clearly respecting bullish, disrespecting bearish, respecting this bullish hourly. Bearish gap right here, inversing it, huge displacing candle towards the upside. Same exact story on ES, right? Like literally we look the exact same. 30 minute. What do we look like? Well, we have this 30-minute gap right here. Pretty simple idea coming into open. All I want to see price do is just use this 30-minute gap right here as my condition for higher. And if we just start trading through it, well then I'm looking for price to kind of have a deeper retrace to here, maybe down here. I'll see when it happens. So let me just play this out. Higher time frame. Okay, we mitigate that. Boom. ES prints equal lows, which I don't hate. Or no, I mean I do hate. I did not mean to say that. I hate that a lot. I need my stop loss to be protected, and that's not protected. That's very unprotected. Okay, I'm not taking this, bro. This is terrible. There's an SMT inside here, but ES has equal lows and unmitigated 30 added stop loss, bro. I'm not taking that shit. Fuck that. I'll let it run all the way up without me. All right, what are we doing here? 5-minute con. Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute. I kind of hate it. I kind of hate it. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of hate it. I'm not a fan, bro. So we have this 5-minute on both indexes. AM high, a little bit of low resistance. NQ has these relative equal highs up here, even though this swept that out. Still relative equal highs. See what kind of happens here. Resweep. Do you have an SMT? No, we don't. Damn. This is a 2-minute right here. We'll just see how fast we can blast through this 2-minute. Damn, that sucks. Alright, well, that idea is gone. SMT at the AM high. We took out the buy side. I'm not taking that 2-minute because we took out this liquidity right here, making my trade invalid. So I'm just going to wait. At least the market is showing clear direction towards my DOL, so just going to kind of wait here for a sec, see what happens. Do a 15-minute. Yeah, right there. Both indexes just climbing very fast. So clearly that is our DOL higher. 15-minute, opening up in 1 minute. What do we see? Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, we're inside this 15-minute on NQ. We don't have any low resistance, but I'm going to count this swing high and then this low resistance. Oh, yeah, like this right here. We have all this significant buy side above that I'm just willing to kind of take my trade towards. We also have this swing right here, so we just have tons of buy side above. I don't really need an abundance of low resistance. I'm kind of using this. This is acting as my low resistance. Now, ES, what is it doing? It's holding this 5-minute. Oh, 15-minute though. It did not hit the 15-minute gap, but it is holding the more premium 5-minute gap. So we do true manipulation. ES does not need to be perfect, especially if we're super bullish like this. And NQ wants to give the deeper retrace, which I don't mind. We also have this SMT at the gap. I just want to make sure on the 1 minute that it is the same correlated low. 10 a.m., 10 a.m. Yeah, okay, yeah, it is. All right, perfect. It is. It's the same low. If we get an inversion here, what are we gonna have? 3-minute, right? Yeah, okay. If we get this 3-minute, I'm willing to take it. What do I think about this close? Well, 15, 11, Do we have a 4-minute? Oh, we do. That's amazing. Okay, the 4-minute looks way nicer than the 3, so I don't really care about that rejection wick because the 4-minute looks so juicy. Um, I'm gonna take this. I really do like this. Okay, so the idea behind it, yeah, ES did not hit the 15-minute, but we SMT the 15-minute. We have 10:15 right here opening up. What does it do? Well, it opens lower into the 15-minute gap. We then put an SMT. At the same time, ES is holding this premiumed 5-minute gap. Print this rejection wick out of it right here. See, print this huge rejection wick out of the 5-minute gap. Just giving a really strong bullish signature and price on both indexes. What do we see happen after that? Well, then price then comes up, gives us huge distribution leg towards the upside. ES edges the AM high, so do we. Stop loss is super protected. We have a nice inversion. I'm looking to just take this trade. I really do like this. Right. Break even, I'll just be kind of when we go above this, or when ES takes this high too. See what happens. All right. Retrace a bit. Do we have a 3? Oh, we did. Okay. We have 3-minute. So now I'll go break even whenever we close above this, because we just mitigated that 3-minute. Once we close above that, we shouldn't move any higher. Holy stop loss edge. Oh, okay. There's my close. ES takes out the AM high, so do we. Stops the break even. All right. We should hold that 1-minute. All right, perfect. Great trade. So the idea is overall, super bullish on the day. We mitigate this 30-minute, put in the SMT, and we just move higher, higher, higher. We get decent structure. ES does not have to check all the checkboxes, but we just have true manipulation. ES holding that more premium 5-minute gap, and then we have just kind of all this buy side above looking to target. I just want to see price continue ripping up higher after showing this really big bullish distribution after mitigating this 15-minute. So really good trade. Next day, next day, next day. All right, let me just. Okay, let's see. All right. Oh. Okay, so we are obviously bullish. This is one of those days where it's just kind of obvious. We're not coming back to that end log right now, I can tell you that. So clearly, sweeping out this low was the objective of this downtrend. So kind of we have a bit of like a market maker buy model playing out here, right? So we have sell side, sweep out internal buy side, or sweep out internal sell side, and then we're starting to come back up. So we should kind of make this move like this higher from this point on. I just want to check on the monthly. Oh, yeah. Looks like we swapped out this big monthly wick. And then on the weekly, same exact thing, right? We swept out this weekly intermediate low. We held that gap, and then we're moving higher. Yeah, this looks really nice. This is looking like a very bullish kind of recovery out of this area. So 4-hour, right? We don't have any 4-hour gaps. Move down to the hourly. Nothing really interesting going on down here. I mean, we have this hourly gap right here. Hopefully you guys can like see. Oh, it's kind of like, I'm going to zoom in more. That's my bad. All right. We have this hourly intermediate low on ES. Hopefully we have like a more premium 30-minute gap, but it doesn't look like that. Is that an intermediate low? No. We have this 15-minute intermediate low right here. So pretty meh. Pretty meh. All right. Well, I'm bullish. So let's just see if I can get some opportunity. I'm just going to wait for open to put in some work on the sell side or just move up. I don't really want to short, I'm not going to lie, unless we really start just printing death wicks or death candles towards this low. I don't really see a reason for us to move down from here if we're just staying in this bullish order flow clearly. So just kind of see what happens. What do? We open high. Okay. We dump down. I'm not taking that. I'm not a fan. Wait a minute. This is low-key an agreed upon DOL. Yeah, it is. I just don't like yes. I don't mind ES actually. It has this 5-minute intermediate low. I might low-key take this. I'm not gonna lie. I might just be a hypocrite. I was saying I'm not gonna take shorts, and then I enter in a short immediately after. Oh, I like this a lot more. I really did not look at the 5-minute. Okay. Do we have 3? 2? Yes. Is this the 2-minute close? Oh my god, it is too. I love this. This is a Patty Swing classic right here. So what do we have? Well, we have the high of day. It's not necessarily a key level, but it fully mitigated this gap. So I'm just gonna say it's a key level just based off that. So we sweep out this buy side right here. What do we do after that? We immediately dump down. Dump down to what? Well, we dump down to this 5-minute gap right here. Just this bullish signature and just this bearish signature in price pretty much is confirming that this 5-minute gap is an agreed upon draw on liquidity, meaning we sweep out this buy side. The market does not want to continue any higher after sweeping out that buy side, meaning that we should return back to this 5-minute gap, and from here we should either decide if we want to move higher or lower towards this 15-minute intermediate low, which could also be an agreed upon DOL. So that's why I'm a little bit comfortable running a kind of like, what's it called, a thing, just like running 1-to-1 down here. But I do want to check is, because I'm not really seeing like a stop rate at open, but this is a stop rate right here. We don't have an internal SMT, which kind of sucky, but I like this big death candle right here. And I like how we have 930 open just resting right below, and the 930 wick is right above this. So I'm just kind of expecting price to just dump down in this 5-minute gap here, and then I'll just go break even. Like, we're gonna open up this big 1-minute. I won't go break even actually. See what happens. Oh, dude. Okay, I'm not gonna go break even. I'm just expecting us to go down to this 15-minute intermediate low right here, just based off that death wick. I will just move my stop to here, to this body, just in case we drake back up. Just save a little bit of. Holy. Oh my god. Yo, that is insane. What the hell? Brother. Alright, well, I mean. Wait, am I a drone? No, I'm not a drone. I mean, hey, next day, man. I mean, it just was not meant to be. It just really was not meant to be. That is just absolutely insane. Um, I'm speechless. That's crazy. I'm not even mad at that. That's honestly just hilarious. Surely that was news, right? All right. I guess we'll just blame it on Donald Trump, I guess. Forget you guys even saw that. I like that trade still. I liked it. It was just damn, that was crazy. What the hell? That was actually insane. Big Drake candle. Okay, higher time frame. I'm not even talking. Okay, higher time frame. What do I see? Well, we have this new week opening gap right here. What do? Price comes down inside of it, soups it out. We then start giving a huge bullish reaction towards the upside. Kind of printing these breakaway gaps. What do we have higher? Anything obvious that we can see price reject off of? Well, we have a trail of low resistance liquidity leading towards this really obvious hourly intermediate high that I kind of want to use as my DOL for the day. What do we have lower for price to reject off of? Well, we have this small hourly down here on ES. And on NQ, we have a little bit of a bigger hourly gap. 30-minute, nothing. 15, garbage. So I kind of just want low retrace back to here, maybe, possibly, if we can get that. Where is that in the range? Okay, yeah, it's literally at 0.5. So if we wick that, then I'm pretty confident that we're going to keep going up. So I'm just going to open this up, see what happens. Maybe we just get nothing. You never know. Or we chop a little bit open. We start moving higher. We take out that hourly intermediate high. What do we do from here? Well, we just keep moving higher, apparently. Holy. Okay. So clearly this is my DOL now, because I will not be shorting this type of recovery out of an NWOG. Okay. Oh, thank God, it's still going. Okay. I will not be shorting that. That's just not happening. That's not something that I'm willing to do. Delete this, delete this. We have a 15-minute. Let's get active right now. 15-minute. 15-minute all the way down the depths of hell. I didn't even mark it out right. Bruh, why does this 15-minute have to be so far? We're definitely not going to hit this shit. We're just going to rip straight towards the DOL. I'm not taking a 5-minute too. There's no 5. Alright, you know what? We're just going to play out PA, see what happens. Oh my god. Oh my god. Premiumed 15-minute gap. Is anyone else erect? Because I am. We have this. Alright, what do we see? Well, obviously we just want price to just rip inside here. And we're targeting this bad boy up there. What are we doing? Oh my god, we're printing low resistance too. I love this. We're about to put in a stop rate. 915 open low. Please. No. No, no, no. I hate you. I fucking hate you. Dude, I hate you. Like, look at this. Alright, at least we had the correct bias. I'm not even going to speak about that. Let's just go next day, dude. That is just brutal. I don't even want to talk about that. Oh, it's April 25th already. Damn. The heck? Okay, we're not even up on the session, bro. On this backtesting vid. That Drake candle killed me. Alright, I need to talk about this. Okay, high time frame, what are we doing? Well, we tap into this 4-hour gap. That's a little bit more EQ the range. We're still super bullish. Starting to print this rejection wick. We have low resistance liquidity leading up to the high of day. Hourly time frame, we have this clear hourly gap right here that I'm looking to target. Honestly, after this hourly gap, I'm willing to do low-key anything. ES is trading inside of this. So that's pretty not cool at all. ES also has this 30-minute that I would like to see price hit. We also have an SMT at this low down here too. So good to note that. We have an SMT. So pretty high resistant sell side. And then this hourly gap is kind of just defending this low resistance liquidity. So I'm low-key just expecting to be bullish towards this and not towards the sell side. It's just so high resistance, the sell side, right? Like if we look at it from a view of like attack or like defense or whatever, price trading inside of this bearish gap means that it's attacking this high resistant low with an SMT holding a 4-hour gap at EQ the range. And what is it defending? Well, it's defending a ton of low resistance liquidity when we're still trading in a premium, pushing up. We have clear bullish volume, so I'm kind of just expecting to be bullish today. So let's just see what happens, honestly. All right, we hit that. We move down here. Holy. Gonna move down lower. Dude, I really wish we had a 15-minute gap. Like, you have no idea. Bro, I really wish I could take this. I really wish I could take this, dude. Is there a 5-minute that we're holding? Oh my god, there is. Low-key, I'm taking this. I'm not gonna lie. I have so much conviction. The ES holding a 5-minute? Okay, it is. I have so much conviction. You have no idea. That low is so high resistance. We're just not going back to this low. It's just not happening. Especially after that flip. We put in that stop raid. With this right here. Right? We put in a stop raid with this right here. We have this 930 wick and 930 opening price still to target above, so price should at least hit this, and hopefully we hit the 930 wick. What else do we see? Well, we're holding the 5-minute gap on ES too. We're holding a 5-minute gap on NQ. Yeah, it's not like an insane key level, but I just have a lot of conviction in this. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I like this a lot. I'm gonna take this. This is something I'm willing to risk every cent to my name on. And we'll just rip a 1-to-1 because it's at market open, so we're either gonna like demolish my stop loss or demolish my TP. I like this a lot. Alright. Boom. See what happens. Oh, yes. Don't you dare do that to me. I swear I will. I'll do things to ES, bro. That it does not want me to do. Alright, now I'm like pretty confident. After the Drake candle, we have this 1 minute, but after like the Drake candle incident, I'm not really like confident enough to like move it to here because I feel like that's bad luck, but I'm gonna do it anyway because I feel like we're just gonna get another Drake candle just stop me out and just ruin my day. All right, we should hold that 1 minute at least. We should not come back down here. Oh my god, do I go break even, bro? We should just start ripping from here, low key. Nah, I'm not gonna go break even. Like I say that, bro. I low key should though. I'm gonna go break even, honestly. Watch me get stop break even, and then we just rip to take profit. No, no, don't you dare. Okay, thank God. Let's go. Right, pretty easy trade right there. Key level was garbage. Tiny ass 5 minute gap, but what is it sponsored by? It's sponsored by this huge movement down here. We soup out this 4 hour. Are we displacing this 4 hour? And then we have this huge distribution back up. Market opens. We print this huge rejection wick out of the 5 minute. Stop rate. Big candle. Right, we're wicking outside the range. We're closing back inside of the new range. A big body like this. Literally no top wick on that close. Love to see it. We close past 9:30 wick. So I just decided to go break even because I'm like, yeah, it's an hourly intermediate high and 9:30 wick. I've seen this shit happen before. It's about to touch me. So I'm kind of just gonna go to the next day. So that was a trade idea. Pretty easy peasy stuff right there. This is low key gonna be my last day because it is late, bro. It is late, and I low key have like a prom tomorrow, so gotta hit that up. All right, clearly bullish again. What are we doing? We're trading through this big gap towards the right or towards the left. Whoops. Yeah, we inversed it. Clearly just bullish. Hourly, I'm not really seeing anything to reject price higher. We're just holding this for a little bit of low resistance. We have this really predominant wick above 30 minute. I can almost guarantee we have 30 minute gap. Yes, sir. We have an SMT at that high, but honestly, if we hold this 30 minute, I don't give a fuck about that SMT, bro. It can go fuck itself. Tons of low resistance. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see what happens. I hate you. Oh, no I don't. No I don't. No I don't. Wait. Is yes in a 5 minute. This is the moment of truth. Oh. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold your horses. We have potential here. Oh my god. We have potential. We have potential. We have potential. Oh, no. What do we have? Oh my god, we're gonna open up a 5 minute, bro. Nobody has ever wanted to long, bro. Nobody likes taking 5 minutes. Okay, we're not gonna get it anyway. Oh my god. Are we? We are. We have the 5 minute gap. Dude, I hate taking 5 minute inversions, bro. They're so annoying. We just end up reaccumulating for like the next hour and a half. But we do have this 9:30 way. Oh, it got taken out. That sucks. Well, we still have this buy side right above that I'm super confident in. Take it out. I dare you. Fucking dare you. Oh, we had an SMT down here. I didn't even realize that. Brother. Nah, it's low key okay because we wouldn't even have gotten an entry. I don't think so. Yeah, I'm not taking a 30-second in this. It's just not happening. Okay, please do not take out that high. Oh my god. No, 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 no. Guys, I wish I had discretion. I really do. I just don't. I just don't. I'm too mechanical. It's a problem. Alright, what do we do? Well, we're back inside of this 5 minute gap. I mean, from here, I could low-key just look for a cont. But we do have all this low resistance right here that I'm kind of attracted to right now. So, if we inverse this 5 minute, of course, that's a no-brainer play for me. We're going towards that low resistance liquidity. But if we just kind of do some BS over here. Oh, holy God. Of course, bro. Bro, we're going to take it all out, right? Without me. Just like we did with the buy side. Oh my god. No. I hate you. Bro, is it even worth, like, oh my god, dude, it's not even worth. Like, where's my, bro, this is so fried. Like, I could target this. I'm just not taking this short, bro. How big is my, yeah, that's just not happening. I'll just let it, yeah, it's a break even anyway, bro. What do we do from here? Tell me, we just start like, okay, we're inside that 5 minute. Mm-hmm. What do we see from here? Kind of just accumulating, generating liquidity at the highs and lows. Oh no. Drake handle. No good. Okay, well, what do we see here? Do we have 15 minute that we opened up? No. We're just holding this more discounted 5. We're not even holding it really. Yeah, I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan. We inversed it. It's late in the session too. Yeah, not a fan. I'll wait, bro. I I'm really not a fan of any of this, honestly. Um, Bro, is this even a key level? You're trolling. It's not. Alright, that's amazing. God, you love to actually. Yeah, damn, that sucks. Alright, well, I think this day's cooked, unless we get an SMT this low. Yeah, the day's cooked. Alright, you know what, I'll do one more day. I'm feeling frisky. Might as well. Gotta end it on a win. Gotta end it on a win. Can't be. Well, that wasn't even a loss, but you just gotta end on a win. That's just how it works, right? Right, what do we have? Well, we have all this sell side below, and I kind of like it because we low-key also have buy side. But we have this SMT. Let me move down the hourly, see what we did. I like it a lot more. We put in this SMT. We're in bearish order flow. We kind of print this rejection wick, but do I really care about that? No, because just based on the reaction from the SMT, um, we held this hourly gap. Moving lower, we definitely have a 30-minute condition. Yes, we do. Hello, 30-minute. Guys, you have no idea how much I love the 30-minute gaps that open. Like, it's actually the freest bread ever whenever there's one. Like, dude. Alright, now we're printing low resistance. Holy ES. Oh, yeah, I'm definitely taking shorts. Oh, yeah, I'm definitely taking shorts. Look at this shit. Alright, open high. Oh my god. Wait, it's literally perfect. No, no, don't do that to me. Alright, are we gonna open up this 2 minute? Oh, we are, bro. We are. Is there anything else, though? No. What do we do? Oh my god. 2 minute close? Terrible close. Literally awful. Generating more low resistance. Resweep. 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 Here we go. Here we go. Bro. Why are we printing these rejection wicks, dude? Why? Why is ES staying up so high? Bro. This stuff makes me like... Oh my god. Yes. SMT? Holy. 945 opens high. Back inside this 30-minute gap. Keep that in mind. We're still inside the 30-minute. We are going towards this stupid high, bro. Oh my god. I swear to god if we're bullish. I swear. This is like the days where I want an agreed upon DOL below, bro. Because, like, unless we really, like, actually dump down. Yeah, we're definitely just bullish now. Dang. That sucks. I wanted shorts bad. Print that fat rejection wick. Do we have news? Holy, the next day is cooked. Damn. Alright. Well, we're printing low resistance. Hopefully we open up a 15-minute. That would be great. But we're not, right? We're just not gonna do that. We already swept out this fucking buy side too, bro. Bro. I mean, like, that's just my condition. Is that 15-minute? Okay, we hit the 15-minute. There's not even any news. Is this Tuesday? Oh, yeah, it is. April 20. Wait. Oh, it's the 29th. Brother. This is one of the days where, like, dude, holy. Alright, well, bro. If ES hit the 15 minute, I'm taking a long. Well, we're clearly just bullish. We're clearly bullish towards all this up here. And this is no longer high resistance if we're just rejecting off this low so aggressively. Clearly, what do we see on the high time frame? Well, we see this, right? This should be enough. Huge rejection wick. And we sweep out this buy side. We don't really do anything. We displace back into this higher time frame key level after sweeping out that buy side. What does that high time frame key level do? Well, then it presents us with a huge distribution leg back up towards our buy side liquidity. That is now the resistance. So I'm going to be taking this. I usually never take 30-second inversions unless it's like clear as day that it's going to hit. I would not. There's nothing down here, really. There's like a super small 30-second right here. Oh, there isn't even one. There's this 30-second, but like, bro, it's just like the close above all this, like the CISD right here that I love so much. I'll put the house on this one. I'm not even lying to you. The house. I'm confident that we're at least gonna hit this, so I'll just go break even there, and then, but we cannot end on a loss. So if this loses, I'll be here all night. Here we go. Bro, wait, am I in the 30-second? Okay, let me chill. ES, doing classic ES shenanigans, printing down candles when we need to be printing up candles. Oh, bro. Damn. ES is going up too, so I'm not gonna go break even because we have this 1 minute. We have that 1 minute. Yeah, I'm not gonna go break even. I'll do this. So I'm gonna lower my risk by tons right now. And kind of what I'm expecting here is either we just come back to this 1 minute, then distribute higher because ES is showing no signs of continuing down now. It just broke above all these bodies right here, closing above these wicks too, or putting equal highs with that wick, I guess. So we'll just see what happens. All right, yeah, they're in break even 100%. Then we're just gonna let it rip to a 1-to-1. I could like, bro. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? We have all this buy side. I'm gonna let it run to this, but I'm gonna trail at a 1-to-1. So what's my 1-to-1? Okay, I already have it. What was it with this low? Here. Okay. I'm gonna trail to like here, and what I want to see is like on the odd chance that price literally just prints no down wick. Okay. All right. Yeah, that was the right decision. Okay. Sweet. Um. So idea behind that trade, right? Originally I was bearish. We just print more low resistance and we just rush straight through this gap right here, straight through this big hourly gap. You can see right here we start trading through it. We print this intermediate high. What do we do at 10 a.m. close? Well, the 10 a.m. close candle right here prints this huge rejection wick inside the range, and then we're starting to head back towards this buy side liquidity above. What does this mean? That means that we are bullish towards that buy side. After like sweeping out this hourly intermediate high right here, what do? Well, then price moves back down into this newly formed 15-minute gap, which is a high time frame key level. We have our 10 a.m. open low, high close, or projecting a high close. And I kind of take a little bit more of a discretionary entry just based off the volume we're getting, right? If price has volume like this towards this buy side above, clearly we're just extremely bullish after mitigating this gap. I have confidence that my stop loss is protected because we're inside this 15-minute gap and we're getting this volume away from it. We have true manipulation between both indexes because ES also mitigated the 5-minute gap created at 10 a.m. ES also has a 10 a.m. open low, high close projection. So I really like this a lot. We also have AMD, and I kind of just took it based off the volume higher. We also had the 30-second version and the 1-minute CISDs right here. So great trade. That's low-key gonna be it. Thank God it stayed recording this whole time. I would have actually crashed out if it stopped. So yeah, I mean, if you like it, I'll film another one. Just comment if you want another one.